Hi guys, I'll just walk right into the video. I'm going to show you how to change the AirPod tips. So when you unbox it, you should find tips of three sizes: large, small and extra small for the AirPods Pro 2. And once you snap off a tip from your AirPod tray, right here, the tip tray, you will see the tip, which is oval, and you need to snap it into your AirPods. So I'll bring along my AirPods, I'll remove the existing tip and show you how to snap it in. Okay, so these are the AirPods Pro 2 right here. Okay, so if you want to remove the tip, you just roll the sleeves of your AirPod up, the tip sleeves. You just pull it out and it will snap just right out. And if you want to snap it in, make sure this is oval right here. It needs to snap back in to the oval shape. The size or the direction does not matter that you're snapping in, as long as it fits in ovally right here. So I'm going to snap back in, roll the sleeves up, and I'm going to snap it back in. You will hear a click sound. So it should click and snap right back in. So that's how you snap it in. That's it for the video. Change your AirPod tips. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much.